In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history in Microsoft Teams. As we move through our fast-paced digital lives, keeping our communication spaces organized is essential, and sometimes that means clearing out old chat histories. Whether you're looking to declutter, ensure privacy, or simply make a fresh start, we'll walk through the steps to effectively clear your chat history in Microsoft Teams. First, we'll start by opening up Microsoft Teams. You can either launch the application on your desktop or access it through your favorite web browser. Microsoft's interface is designed to be intuitive, and you'll find that navigating to the chat section is straightforward. Once you're in Teams, take a good look at your chat list, which you'll find in the left-hand navigation pane. This is where all your recent conversations are displayed. Now, identify the specific chat you wish to delete. Whether it's a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, select it by clicking on the chat thread. Next, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the conversation window. You'll notice three dots, which serve as the options menu for that specific chat. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu, providing you with a variety of actions you can take within the chat. These options include hiding the chat, notifying the team about urgent messages, and of course, deleting the chat. From this menu, you'll want to select Delete. It's important to be certain about this decision, as deleting a chat will permanently erase all messages and content shared in that particular thread. If you're absolutely sure, proceed to the next step. After clicking Delete, Teams will prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the chat. This extra step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Review the prompt carefully, and if you're confident in your decision to clear the chat history, go ahead and click the confirmation option. And there you go. Congratulations, you've successfully cleared the chat history in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple process, yet understanding each step is crucial to ensuring your communication remains tidy and secure. Remember, once deleted, the chat history cannot be retrieved, so always double check before confirming deletions. This newly cleared space in your Teams chat is now ready for fresh conversations and new ideas. Maintaining your chat sections this way not only helps in staying organized, but also supports efficient communication within your team or organization. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you navigate your digital workspace with confidence and ease.